Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving MSQE PEA solutions and we have come up for question 5. So let's see what is here. Yeah, per capita output is being given y equal to f of k with fk as an increasing and concave function of per capita capital stock k. Now let y be a function a minimum k and l. So here a is greater than 0, it's a parameter, and k is the capital and l is the labor. Okay, so wages is what? Wages and interest rate, or R is, so production function being y is, so we have to find out that which of the following statement is correct. Okay, so y is a minimum of KL given. Okay, so this is a Leontief production function, as we can infer from this one, Leontief production function. So meaning fixed proportion. So in this step setup, what it is, if suppose K is less than L, means capital is limiting. Suppose K is greater than L, then labor is limiting. And if K is equal to N, Y, then K is equal to L, then Y will be equals to AK. So this is the condition for the Leontief production function. YE will be equals to AK. Okay. So now, so output increases only by increase the scarce input. So now let's consider K being K by L, that is the capital labor ratio. So now case by case derivative we have to find out. So let's do out that one. So first, case 1, K less than L, or Y is equals to AK. Okay, so here del Y by del K is equals to A, or del Y with respect to del L is 0. So R is equals to A and W is equals to 0. This is case 1. Now case 2 is what? K is greater than L. So that means Y is equal to AL. So that means del Y del K is 0 and del Y del L is A. So then R is 0 and W is A. Okay. Now we have case 3. What is my case 3? That is K equals to L. So at the king point here, the K is equal to L, means the function switches from capital limited to labor limited. And at this point, both partial derivatives exist but may not be non-differentiable. So marginal product of each A, so R will be equals to A and W will be equals to A. So what is the interpretation in terms of K then here? That we have to understand. So interpretation in terms of K, that is K by L, will be if K is less than 1 or K is less than L. So R is equals to A and W is equals to 0. If K is greater than 1 or K is greater than L, then R is equal to 0 and W is equals to A. And if K is equals to 1, then R is equals to A or W is equals to A. So if we analyze all the options, R and W are the same. So obviously it's false, because for K not equals to 1, one is 0 and the other is not done. B, R and W are the same, obviously false, because for K less than 1 also W is 0 and R is equal to A. So not same. And R and W are the same for K greater than 1. Again R is 0, W is equals to A. So my correct option will be option D.